This is how we are now finishing our day, our shooting. Today, honestly, was such a crazy day. Everything went wrong with us today. Our microphones broke, it started to rain, there was a strong wind, and in general, until about lunch it seemed that we would not take anything off. But somehow, at the end of the day, everything began to get better. We coped and did our task for today. And now, the NH Hotel has reserved a sauna for us. We have the opportunity now to rest as much as we want. It's just a huge bonus and a big plus for them. That's why we are enjoying ourselves now, resting and continuing to shoot tomorrow. We hope that tomorrow the weather will be normal, and we will finally shoot the city of Cologne, architecture, and everything that we have planned.
Today, we are starting our morning in Cologne by heading down to the hotel restaurant for breakfast. It's great that they also have a buffet-style breakfast here, just like a typical Swedish table. And the Swedish table is usually quite rich and varied. Here you can find both savory dishes and sweet pastries, juices, dry cereals, sausages, cheeses, coffee, and tea. In general, there is a lot to choose from here. So let's go and try some of it now.